Now let's solve this log equation. This one's a little bit more difficult because we have two logs on the same side, separated by a subtraction sign. Well, there's a property that says this. If you're dividing two outputs, you can separate them by subtraction. Which means if you go this direction, you can condense them to a single log by division. That's what we want to do. We're going to condense the left side to a single log using division. And the right side just stays a 1. Now, if you see this log, you don't see a base, it's understood to be a 10. So now what we're going to do is convert this to exponential form by writing down the base first. And then the exponent is what the log equals. Since the log equals 1, the exponent is 1. And then what remains on the right side is what we have here, which is 7x plus 6 over x minus 1. That's the definition of logarithms. Now what I'm going to do is 10 to the first is the same as 10. I'm going to put that over 1. And you can cross multiply if you want to do it that way. Some people may not know that. So we're going to use a method that you should all know, or if you don't, you want to use it. Multiply by the denominator, which is x minus 1. Because then these will cancel. And on this side we can distribute the 10, so it becomes 10x minus 10. On the right side we get 7x plus 6. So now we're back to solving equations for x. What I do is I work with the x's first, and that's get rid of the smaller x first. So 7x, I subtract it. That becomes 3x minus 10 equals 6. Then I add 10 to both sides. And I get 3x equals 16. And then I divide both sides by 3. And I get the answer of 16/3. And the only thing left to do is to make sure if I take that 16/3, if I substitute it in there, do I get a negative answer? Because I can't take the log of a negative number, and I don't. 10/3 is about 3.333. If I subtract 1, I still get a positive answer. So what that means is 16/3 is my final answer.